Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Nexigo PS5 multifunctional cooling stand, which Nexigo have kindly sent out to me to review. We're going to find out if this product is any good and if it's worth purchasing for your PlayStation 5, but before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like button below. It's totally free, but would mean so much to me. Let's set a goal of 20 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Nexigo cooling stand is a product designed for the new Sony PlayStation 5 in order to help keep temperatures low and provide additional functionality such as charging and placement for your physical games. The device comes with two extraction fans, which dispenses hot air from your PS5 using the air vent slots located in the middle. The fan comes with 3 adjustable modes, which lets you configure the rotation speed to help keep your PS5 cool even after long periods of gaming. The cooling stand also comes with 2 PS5 charging docks, which charges your PS5 controller via USB Type-C port. The Type-C port can also be removed, making it easier to slot your controllers in and out without any struggle. Finally, you also have a placement section for your physical discs, which can cater up to 11 games in total. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 600 grams and has a length of 27 centimeters. The material is made from plastic and aluminium, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. On top, you have some air vents, which link to both extractor fans in order to dispense heat. The vents sit perfectly in line with your PS5 bottom air vents and is compatible for both digital and disc editions. You also have 2 USB Type-C charging ports for your DualSense controllers, and a section on the side where you can store up to 11 physical PS5 games. Towards the bottom, you have a hole which is used to screw the PS5 and cooling stand together in place. And finally, towards the back, you have a USB port to connect your PS5 accessories, a USB Type-C input, which is used for the cable provided inside, which powers the cooling stand via PS5 connection, and a button which controls the fan speed of the PS5 cooling stand. In terms of packaging, on front, you have the Nexigo logo, as well as an image and name of the device. You also have some product features, such as cooling and fast charging. Towards the back, you have the logo again, as well as images showing the installation process. And finally, on top, you have the Nexigo logo again. Inside the box, you get the Nexigo cooling stand, as well as 1 USB Type-C to 2 USB-A ports, which powers the cooling stand, 1 screw to connect your PS5 and cooling stand together, and finally a user manual on how to set up. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by placing your PS5 on top of the cooling stand, following the lines provided on the device. Next, insert the screw provided to connect both devices together. Connect the cable by inserting the USB Type-C end into the cooling stand and the USB-A ports into your PS5. Turn your PS5 on, adjust the fan settings, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. Before we start looking into the cooling and charging dock speed, one thing you may have noticed straight away is that this device will only work if your PS5 is situated vertically. So if you have your PS5 laid out horizontally or prefer to have it that way, then this product is probably not going to be ideal for your choice of layout. Furthermore, when connecting the cooling stand to the PS5, it takes up both USB ports towards the back, and when I tried connecting my external hard drive to the USB port on the back of the cooling stand, my PS5 was failing to find my external hard drive. I guess I could easily connect my hard drive to the front of my PS5, but I can see why this might annoy some people due to aesthetic reasons. The USB port on the back is mainly designed for charging purposes when connecting your mobile phone, tablets or other devices. In addition, when charging the PS5 controllers, there's no indicator lights to let you know once your device is fully charged. While having my PS5 based on a flat surface and idle without the cooling stand, the temperatures would average at around 20 degrees. After gaming for an hour in Astro's Playroom, the temperatures would reach an average of 30 degrees. When connecting the cooling stand and having the fans on max settings, when idle, the temperatures would average between 15 to 20 degrees and 25 degrees when gaming for an hour. Finally, when it comes to controller charging, it took roughly around 2.5 hours to charge one controller, and more than 3 hours when charging 2. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets YouTube know I did a good job on this one. Now let's get back to the video. Overall, the device works great as a multifunctional product. I love the fact that I can cool my PS5 as well as charging my controllers and organizing my physical games. There's definitely a few cons which I mentioned previously when purchasing the cooling stand. However, as a whole and for the price you pay, you definitely get your money's worth here. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Nexigo PS5 cooling stand from Amazon for around £30 and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on the Nexigo cooling stand? And is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews and I'll see you all in the next video.